Kind of working my way around the famous Red's Cove. Famous if you grew up in our neighborhood. A few logs and stuff in here. He ain't a big one, but he'll do. Gotta have a few fillets. Out here. He's coming up a little bit. Pound and a halfer. Yeah, there he is. A little shy of 2 pounds. Got a little scar there, but that's what we was looking for. Not bad. We'll keep trying for a bigger one. Got another pounder. Let's get him up here in the Kayak. Yeah, he's over a pound. Pound and a half, possibly. Yeah, not bad. Still looking for that big one, though.